So again, what we'll do, we'll have a demo of adaptive layout, how you can use a same screen, storyboard screen, for iPhone, iPad devices or different screen sizes. Fine. So we'll create a new project, single view application, and product name is adaptive layout demo. So we'll save this inside documents, or okay, documents. Where is code cool? Then iOS. Okay, then 2017 weekend batch, right? In iOS demos. We'll be selecting iPhone SE. Now what I will do, I will go to the storyboard directly, and here I will select the screen size for iPhone SE, which is the basic thing. Right now we need to use this area to work around with adult layout and adaptive layout. So now if you see over here, we are having all the devices in portrait mode as well as in landscape mode. So whatever you draw over here, that will be available for all these devices. Fine. Now what I will do, I need to add one button that is only available on iPhone, that will not be available for iPads, correct? And we'll have another button that will be only available on iPad, that won't be available over iPhones, right? So for this, if you add button over here, that then it will be available for all these devices. But if you vary your traits over here from here, then it will be available for iPhone only, it will be available for iPad only, likewise. So now how to use this vary for traits? So click on over here, then we'll get what we introduce variations based on width and height. They are also having some information over here, read it out afterwards what it is. Fine. And then we are having width, variation based on width. If I select width, then see the layout is changed somewhere, color is changed, it's showing in blue now, and it's showing over here view as iPhone SE, width compact and height regular. Width, W means width, C means compact, H means height, R means regular. We'll see that how this means. Now varying 20 compact width devices. 20 compact width devices. So what are those? So if I click over here, then it will show all the list, right? So see iPad, but it's showing some gray color over here. That means this is available for split screen. What is split screen? We are going to see a split screen demo as well. Now split screens is just a simple two screen view. It will have one view over here and another view over here, different view controllers and all these things. Okay, so ignore those, we are not currently looking for this, right? Split screen. Now see here, this is all the iPhones listed over here, no any iPad listed over here except these split screens, right? Now see here, all the iPhones listed over here, that's it. So if I add one button over here now, it will be available for all the iPhones and for that split views. But presently we are not using any split view, so it will be available only for iPhones. So see, go to the object library and search for the button. So I will add this button at center over here, and we'll add constraints, which will be alignment constraint. I'll align it center. Now we are having this button. Now let me change the name or title for the button, iPhone button. Okay, because it will be available on iPhone only. iPhone button, right? Now I will press done varying. Right, fine. Now we'll get your default view for all the views. Fine. Now we are having iPhone button over here. If we go to the preview, let's have iPhone over here again, iPhone X. We are having button, iPhone 8 Plus. We are having button, but see for iPad, is there any button? No, because you have added this button for iPhone screen sizes only. Fine. So it will not be available over iPad. Now what we'll do, we'll add one another button to the iPad. Now what we need to do, we need to select the iPad first, and then we will add over here width. So first of all we'll add width over here, then see varying 11 regular width devices. So those devices are regular width. Over here iPhone 8 Plus is listed over here. So if you select, see, if you select height, then see all the phones are there over there which are in portrait mode, and all iPads are here. Now we don't want this, right? We want to remove iPhones from here as well as 8 Plus from there. So what we'll do, will vary for both width and height. So it will only list all the iPads. Fine. For landscape, for portrait, all the things. Now we are having this iPad screen over here. Now inside this I will add another button. We'll name it as iPad button. Fine. We'll increase font little bit. Fine. We'll add it to the center. Select it and then select the constraint. Fine. It's at center now. iPad button. Correct. We are done with varying. So we'll click over here, and then
here we don't need to add width and height for button.
No. Yes, we have seen that. For buttons, it will get its width and height from its content. Currently, a title is its content, so it will get its width and height. Now see, we are done with this. Now we'll go to the preview again. Over here, iPhone button is still there because we haven't changed anything for iPhone. And for iPad, we are having iPad button. See, so you can have a different UI for iPhone, different UI for iPad. Fine. Now see what I will do. I will add this button at top over here, one button, which will be available for iPads as well as iPhones, right? And I will switch back to the iPhone, and this button will go over here. Which one? This one, at the center. Fine. We'll add constraint for this Y position and center horizontally. Fine. So we have added this button over here, which will be named as code cool. Fine. At center we are having this button. Now if you see the preview again, code cool button looks very good on iPhones, right? Very good, very good. Now for iPad, it's showing some smaller font, right? It's not looking good. So what we'll do, we will have a different font for iPhones and different font for iPads. So for this, what we need to do is we need to add a font for this button, correct? So we'll go to the standard editor, we'll select the code cool button, and then here is a font. Here we are changing the font, right? Now at the time of changing the font, what we'll do, we will add customization over here by clicking this plus button, right? So when I press plus button, it will pop up something. Now it's having introduce variation based on width, compact, height, regular, and gamut, right? Now here what I will do, I will check what is the width, compact, and height regular is for iPhones, right? See here, width, compact, height, regular. And for iPads it's having width regular, height regular. So if I select every iPad, then it shows WRHR. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the button and we'll add to the regular and height to the regular, and here we'll add variation. Fine. Now we'll get another font field over there for WRHR. Now for this we'll increase the font little bit, 30. Fine. Now see here it is the same, but when you go to the preview, it will show a bigger font for iPads, right? So what is this? We can customize the things according to the screen size, right? Fine. Any problem in this? So you need to add layout based on this width compact and height regular, or height width regular, height regular. On the basis of this, what is what what is the meaning of this? Or this is known as size classes. There is one feature given by Apple over here in Xcode, that is size classes. So it will be available over here. Fine. So they have distributed screen sizes with size classes. Fine. So this is up to the adaptive layout and size classes.